In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix choppy animations by adjusting performance options in Microsoft PowerPoint. If your slide transitions stutter or your animations don't feel smooth, a quick adjustment inside PowerPoint can make a big difference. We're going to change a built-in setting that reduces the graphics load on your computer, and I'll also share a simple way to lighten the animation workload on your slides. Start by opening PowerPoint. You can have any presentation open. The setting we're adjusting applies to the app itself, not just a single file. Once PowerPoint is open, head to the File menu in the top left corner. In the sidebar that appears, choose Options. This opens the PowerPoint Options window where you can customize the way the program behaves behind the scenes. From the list on the left, select Advanced. This section controls a range of performance and editing behaviors. Now scroll down until you find the Display section. This is where PowerPoint manages how it draws visuals on your screen. Look for the checkbox labeled Disable Hardware Graphics Acceleration. Turn this on. What this does is ask PowerPoint to rely less on your computer's dedicated graphics hardware and more on software rendering. If your graphics card is older, if you're working on a lightweight laptop, or if you've seen random flickers, tearing, or lag in slideshows, this change can help stabilize playback and smooth out animations. While you're focused on performance, consider trimming the number of animations or transitions you're using on each slide. This is optional, but it's a powerful way to reduce processing demands. Animations are great for emphasis, yet too many overlapping effects, or very complex motion paths on multiple objects at once, can overload even a capable system. Keep the effects that serve a purpose and remove extras that don't add clarity. When you're done, click OK to save your changes. To make sure the new setting takes effect, close PowerPoint completely and then reopen it. After restarting, play your presentation in slideshow mode and pay attention to how transitions and object movements feel. You should notice a more consistent, steady playback. If, for any reason, you prefer the previous behavior, you can return to the same display section and uncheck the option to re-enable hardware acceleration. With these adjustments, you've targeted the most common source of choppy animations inside PowerPoint and given your slides a better chance to run smoothly during meetings, classes, or live presentations.